Eau Claire Gorge Conservation Area is located in Calvin, Ontario, which is near Mattawa. While camping at nearby Amable du Champlain Provincial Park, about 12 kilometers away, I saw a post on Instagram from someone we follow, and their family had visited this conservation area. It looked awesome, so we decided to check it out. Whoa, did you hear that, woodpecker?
Yeah.
This trail follows the Amable du Fond River as it passes through the Eau Claire Gorge. The water drops 12 meters through a series of waterfalls and rapids. Very nice. What do you think of this trail? Me too. Ooh, look at all these. Must be sapsucker holes in this tree.
That's what the woodpecker did.
Would that be affiliated?
Oh yeah, for sure. 100%.
Oh my goodness, it's like halfway through the tree.
That's what they do.
Wow.
Looking for grubs. You can see the paths where the grubs are in the middle.
Oh, right, okay. Oh, it is a dead tree. There we go. Oh yeah, look at all the... It's fresh, eh?
Yep.
That's cool. All the wood chips, it's making its own mulch.
Cool.
Yeah, it's neat, eh? Beautiful place. The trail passes through a beautiful forest with lots of hemlock trees, white pine, red pine. You can also find sugar maples, poplar trees, and birch trees. The Amable du Fond River originates in Algonquin Provincial Park and flows north for 84 kilometers before emptying into the Mattawa River. We visited on an evening in June, so our bug jackets definitely came in handy. I think we're nearing the end of the trail here, but this whole area is just filled with these beautiful sensitive ferns. Got a beautiful blue flag iris that's in bloom here at the edge of the trail. We're so glad we made the short drive over from the campground to visit this beautiful conservation area. It was well worth the trip. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to follow us as we camp across Ontario.